Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll be continuing with 1 mark questions of matrices. So, what possible 1 mark questions you can expect for your board exam, and we'll discuss concept wise. So, very first concept is depending on order of a matrix. All of you know order of a matrix means what? Number of rows into number of columns. So, now they told a matrix has 5 elements in it. What are the possible orders? In how many ways you can arrange the 5 elements? What are the possible orders? I can write it as 1 row and 5 columns. This is one possible order. And what is the other order? 5 rows and 1 column. These are the two possible orders. For example, I will take a matrix containing, I want a matrix to be built by elements A, B, C, D, E. So, 5 elements are there. I can write them, these 5 elements, in this order: A, B, C, D, E. And these 5 elements, can I place them as 1 row and 5 columns? Or I can write it as matrix B, that is A, B, C, D, E. Two possible orders. You can rearrange the elements also, but how many possibilities? So, I can place them as 1 row, 5 columns, or I can place them as 1 column and 5 rows. So, these are the possibilities. So, now simple question, and suppose if they give, if a matrix has, say they have given 5 elements, if they give, if a matrix has, suppose if the question is, if the matrix has 6 elements, how many elements? 6 elements. How many possible orders if they ask? What are the factors for 6? What are the factors for 6? So, you can write 6 as 1 6 and in 2 table also you will get 6, 2 3s and 3 table 3 2s. In 4 we do not get, in 5 we do not get, and 6 1s. So, if a matrix has 6 elements, how many possible orders if they ask? What are the possible orders if they ask? So, 1 cross 6 is one possibility, and 2 cross 3, and 3 cross 2, and 6 cross 1. So, these are the possible orders. You can arrange the elements as 1 row 6 columns, 2 rows 3 columns, 3 rows 2 columns, 6 rows. These are the possible orders of the matrix. Now, my question to you, if a matrix has 10 elements, how many elements? 10 elements. What are the possible orders? 1 into 10, 2 into 5, 3 we do not get, 4 we do not get, 5 into 2, and 10 into 1, 4 possible orders. That is it. So, find the factors and represent them. So, now I hope all of you understood. I explained 2 more questions. So, first, what was the question? The matrix is having exactly 5 elements. How many possible orders? How many possible orders? You can write 1 as 1 cross 5 and 5 cross 1. So, 2 possible. How many possible orders it can have? It can have 2 possible orders. So, 2 possible orders. What are the 2 possible orders? So, 2 possible orders, and you can write the orders also. The 2 possible orders are 1 cross 5 and 5 cross 1. How many? 2. What are they? 1 5 and 5 1. So, this is the answer. Let us write Aij. They want you to construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. 3 cross 4 matrix means what? 3 rows, 4 columns. 3 rows, 4 columns. 3 rows and 4 columns. First, we will write the skeleton. A is equal to first row, second row, third row, because 3 rows. How many columns? 4 columns. So, A11, A12, A13, then A14. Now, you stop 4 because 3 rows, 4 columns, and A21, 22, 23, 24, then A31, A32, A33, A34. So, we call this a skeleton. So, first you should write this, and everywhere you have I and J values. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ AIJ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ AIJ? 1/2 - 3i + j. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. You have to substitute in the place of I and J and get. So, I will not do all the elements. I will show one element. Say I want this element. What is this? A23. A23 find out ಮಾಡೋಣ. A23 ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? I is 2, J is 3. In the place of I and J, put 2 3 in this formula. Formula is given in the problem. 1/2 modulus of 3 times I means what? 2 plus J means 3. So, 1/2 modulus of this is -6 plus 3. What is -6 plus 3? Modulus of -3. What is modulus of -3? Positive 3. So, 3. So finally 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So in this place we will write 3 by 2. Like that every place you have to find the elements and you have to write the values. Suppose A11 I ಮತ್ತೆ J ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 3 1s are 3 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 by 2 minus modulus of minus 2 becomes 2, 2 by 2 is 1, and if you put 1 2 in the place of I put 1, in the place of J put 2, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 by 2, modulus of minus 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 2. Then A13 minus 3 plus 3 0, 0 by anything is 0. Then A14 in the place of I put 1, minus 3 plus 4, minus 3 plus 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 3 plus 4 is 1 by 2. Next A21 in the place of I put 2 and J 1, so minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 by 2. So like that you have to fill all the elements, all 6 elements. So if you write like that, then you will get a mark. Now if this is so complicated, I will take one simple problem. So I will take a simple problem which we have done it. So now if they want, instead of 2 cross 3 cross 4, if they want 2 cross 2, and they will give Aij value, say I by j, something like this. A22 means write the skeleton. What is skeleton? A11, A12, first row first column, first row second column, A21 and then A22. Now substitute. So 1 means I is 1, j is 1, 1 by 1, I by j, so 1 2 means 1 by 2, 2 1 means 2 by 1, 2 2 means 2 by 2. Simplify this, you will get a matrix 1 half 2 1. This is the answer for this problem. Like that for this problem also, substitute in the formula and get the values. So first write the skeleton, substitute. Then next question, scalar matrix. All of you know what is a scalar matrix. What is a scalar matrix? Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. Scalar matrix definition all of you know. What is scalar matrix? The scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. So now I have written matrix, they have given this is a scalar. If you read the question, this is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix they have given x plus 2 y minus 3 0 4. Scalar andre enu diagonal elements same irbeku, so these two should be same. So x plus 2 value should be equal to 4. So what is x now? 4 minus 2. So what is x? 2. You got x value. And in scalar matrix we say the definition is what? It's a diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. Diagonal matrix means what? The diagonal element should be 0, so this should be equal to what? 0. Non-diagonal element should be 0. So your y minus 3 value should be 0. So y is equal to what? 3. All of you know scalar matrix I taught you. K 0 0. Okay, this is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means what? Diagonal element should be same. Here what are the diagonal elements? Diagonal alone is x plus 2 ಮತ್ತು 4 ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು because it is scalar. So equate ಮಾಡಿ. equate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. x plus 2 4 ಆದರೆ x ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And non-diagonal element 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. This is already 0, this you equate it to 0. y minus 3 0 means y is 4. So x and y values they want, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. That's it. So all of you know what is scalar matrix. A matrix in which diagonal elements are same. We go to the next question. Definitions. They'll ask define. What is a square matrix? Square matrix, a matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. And what is a diagonal matrix? It is a square matrix in which non-diagonal elements are zeros. What is a scalar matrix? It is a diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. What is identity matrix? So these three we discussed. So when I started my first session, so this identity matrix is a scalar matrix in which diagonal elements are 1. So what is identity matrix? It is a scalar matrix. It is a scalar matrix in which diagonal elements are 1. Diagonal element should be 1 or 1. So means, for example, if I take always identity matrix, or we say unit matrix. Other name for this is what? Unit matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix, diagonal elements should be same and 1, 1 0 0 1. This is a 2 cross 2 identity. First I told scalar. Scalar means it should be square, so it is square. Scalar means diagonal elements should be same, they are same, and speciality of this is what? They should be equal to 1 each. Diagonal elements 1 irbeku, 1 0 0 1, and 3 cross 3 identity is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is also identity matrix or unit matrix. I stands for identity matrix, or we can also call it as unit matrix. Please remember, in future, in further, while solving problems, they don't give I value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. 2 cross 2 ಆದರೆ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, 1 0 0 1, 3 cross 3 ಆದರೆ 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, most important. Before we start symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, first you should know what is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix, once you know, then we can define symmetric. Transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix means what? When we matrix obtained by interchanging rows to columns. Rows na columns ag badlavane madadre we will get complement. For example, if I have A is equal to 1 2 3 4, now I have a matrix called A dash, then A dash, or we can also call it as A dash or A power T. A transpose. Transpose of a matrix means change the rows to column. What is the first row? 1 2, make it as first column. What is the second row? 3 4, make it as second column. So this is complement. How to find transpose of a matrix? So if you interchange the rows to columns, we will get transpose of a matrix. Now if I give B is equal to 1 5 9 3 2 1, what is B dash? B dash or B power T andre no transpose. How to find transpose? So make first row as first column. First row is 1 5 9, make it as first column. Make second row as second column, 3 2 1, that's it. This is transpose. When we transpose a matrix, number of columns becomes number of rows and number of rows becomes number of columns. But here it is square matrix, both are same. But you'll know what is the order of B? 2 cross 3. When you do transpose, it will become 3 cross 2. When you do transpose a matrix, the order interchanges. What is meant by transpose? Changing the rows to columns. All the rows you make them as columns, will get transpose of a matrix. But the question is symmetric and skew symmetric. What is meant by symmetric and skew symmetric matrix? I told you, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, if you want to know, first you should know what is transpose. Transpose means what? A matrix obtained by interchanging rows to columns. Change the rows to what? Columns. Now symmetric matrix. What is a symmetric matrix? A matrix, and generally it will be a square matrix, otherwise order changes. So a square matrix in which A dash should be equal to A. If transpose is itself, then we call it a symmetric. For example, A is equal to 1 5 5 9. You do transpose, you transpose this matrix A dash. What is A dash? First row make it as first column, second row make it as second column, you will get same. Observe, A dash and A both are same matrices. So for a square matrix, if A dash is equal to A, then it is symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A dash is equal to what? A. What is skew symmetric matrix? Skews, and very interesting fact of symmetric is first row and first column should be same. Now skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means what? A square matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A dash is equal to minus A. So these are the two definitions which we are not covered in the past, but these are important to learn the other concepts. Now what is symmetric matrix? A square matrix is said to be symmetric if A dash is A, means transpose of a matrix should be itself. And what is skew symmetric matrix? Skew symmetric matrix means what? Transpose should be negative. A dash should be equal to minus A. So by now we have covered all the 1 markers. So now 1 mark questions we have done. What are the 1 mark questions we have studied? First I taught you depending on the order. Second I taught you construction of matrix. Third I taught you how to define, definitions we studied, and in today's class we added identity matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric. In between we studied transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? Matrix obtained by interchanging rows to columns. And what is symmetric matrix? A square matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix if A dash is equal to A, means transpose should be itself. What is skew symmetric? Transpose should be negative of itself. If A dash is minus A, skew symmetric. If A dash is A, symmetric. So now we covered 1 markers.